Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use section heading shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of section heading shortcode. Section heading shortcode can be used to add a beautiful and introductory title and short summary about content section like services, work portfolio, testimonials, blog and others with SEO-optimized heading tags. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on section heading shortcode. POFO contains 5 different section heading styles. You can select your desired style. Let me select section heading style 1. Enter heading text. Heading text case. You can set heading text case to uppercase, lowercase or capitalize. Let me select uppercase. Heading strictly through. If you do not want to show strictly through in heading text, then you can switch of this it. Heading link. If you want to add link on heading text, then you can switch on it. Link target. If you want to open link in same window, then you can use self option, else you can use new window option. Link. Please enter full URL with HTTP or HTTPS. Let me enter hash for now. You can also set link hover color here. Let me select green color as link hover color. Use additional font for heading. If on is selected, then heading will use additional font family set up in WordPress Customizer. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of heading title. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc. Italic font on-off, change font color, font underline on-off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Design options tab. Here you can manage margin, border, padding, border color, border style, border radius. You can also set background color, or you can also upload background image. If you have uploaded background image, then you can main background image properties like background type, background position and width. If you want different design settings for different devices, then you can switch on enable responsive CSS box. You can add different values for different devices like mini desktop, tablet and mobile. Go to extra tab. This is element ID. You can assign unique ID to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Themes style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. You can see visible heading title as per style selected. Now let me add one text block element. Let me save changes and preview it. You can see heading title and text block element content here. Go back to General tab again and let me select heading style 2. Save changes and preview it. You can see heading style 2 with link color set with hover color here. Let me select heading style 3. Save changes and preview it. This is the heading style 3. Let me select heading style 4. Save changes and preview it. This is the heading style 4. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme, you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.